Grandpa, is this clothes maker?
No, he is tailor, and shop is called tailor shop.
Is he a food expert?
Yes, but a food expert is called a chef.
Is he a hair cutter?
No, the person who cuts hair is called a barber.
Look, Grandpa, a wall artist.
He is called a painter or simply an artist.
Grandpa, let's take a photo from this photo maker.
Sure, but we call a photo maker a photographer.
Is he the store owner?
He is called a shopkeeper.
This time I will be correct. Is he a gem expert?
Wrong again. He is called a jeweler.
Is he a crop grower?
No, the person who grows crop is called a farmer.
Grandpa, look, a food maker.
No, son. In English, we call him a cook.
My arm is hurting. We need to go to a health helper.
Sure, son. But a health specialist is called a doctor.
Grandpa, see a safety man wearing uniform.
A safety man is called a guard or security guard. My bike tire is punctured.
Let's go to the bike fixer.
Let's go. In English, he is called a mechanic.
Grandpa, our tap is broken. I am calling a pipe fixer.
Okay, but a person who fixes pipes is called a plumber.
I want to be a fish catcher.
Sure, but a person who catches fish is called a fisherman.